It's a new year and a new chance to set and achieve your financial goals. But with so many methods out there, it can be hard to know where to start. In this blog post, we'll be discussing the most effective method for launching your monetary objectives for 2023. The first step in setting financial goals is to determine what you want to achieve. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off student loans, or increase your retirement savings? Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you can move on to the next step. The second step is to create a plan. This means breaking down your goal into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, you might set a goal to save a certain amount each month, or to make extra payments on your mortgage. The third step is to implement your plan by creating a budget and sticking to it. This means listing all of your income and expenses and determining where your money is going. It also means identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses and making sure you're spending money on the things that are most important to you. The fourth step is to review your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. It's important to stay on top of your finances and make changes as your circumstances change. In summary, the most effective method for launching your monetary objectives for 2023 is to set clear and specific goals, create a plan, implement the plan by budgeting and review your progress regularly. Remember that it's never too late to start working towards your financial goals, and every small step counts. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances and achieve your monetary objectives for 2023. With the right mindset and a solid plan, you can make your financial dreams a reality. Thank you for joining us on our personal finance journey. We hope that you have learned valuable information and strategies for managing your money and achieving your financial goals. Remember, personal finance is an ongoing process, and it's important to continuously educate yourself, set financial goals, create a budget, save, invest, and manage debt. It's also important to review your progress and make adjustments as needed. If you have any questions or would like more information on any of the topics we discussed, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice. We'll be continuing this series and providing more in-depth information on different aspects of personal finance. Thank you again for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Take control of your finances and make your financial dreams a reality.